I love the effort of all the players. You know, it wasn't perfect, but it was perfect enough. I mean, I can't kill them. We scored 85 and we have kept down St. Lucia goals to 30, which is really a plus for the girls. I'm looking forward for the challenge. You know, we have been playing every day. We have played double just like the other team. I want to see what we are capable of. I know that the girls, they're very confident in putting on a good show, and hopefully that their confidence will help us to win. I've seen growth and I've seen hot and cold games, but the thing is that we're winning, and that is the most important, that they're going out there, they're doing their thing and enjoying the moment. Yeah.
I think they played well in patches. The scoreline, 30 goals against a number 3 ranked team. I think they tried out there. They tried to remain competitive through. That is what I asked them. Don't be daunted by the fact that you're playing against a Jamaican team, whether it's a young team, but it's a Jamaican team. And they have been in training for quite some time. St. Lucia started training very late. But nonetheless, I think they are learning as the tournament progresses. I think what is really lacking in the Caribbean and a whole is getting competition. They are not getting much competition in terms of preparing them for a tournament of this nature. We have 2 games to play, and we certainly don't want to finish the tournament as the underdogs. So they know what is at stake. They know that tomorrow and the other day, they have to go all out in securing at least a win for the rest of the tournament.